If someone were to ask me why they should purchase Bloomfield, I would say you don't feel like another number, and that's something that's easy to feel when you're dealing with builders, and especially with a purchase as large as a home. You want it to feel personal. This is going to be your home. Bloomfield really takes that seriously, and so to come in and you feel like they're guiding you, nope, we're going to feel like this, because at the end of the day, they want you to live here, they want you to thrive here. It's not just let's get you in and get you out. So it feels like home from the second you walk in, before you even get into your physical home. The floor plan that I chose to go with Bloomfield was the Rockcress. It fit what I was after. I really needed a home office, which that floor plan lent itself to, that's flexibility. And it was also just for me, so I had the luxury of not having to ask anybody else which one I wanted. The community I chose to build in was Parks at Panchasarp Farms. It was such a cute little community. It made sense. It felt like home. My favorite part of living here at the Parks would have to be the trails. I would say walking around the neighborhood. I'm really, really a fan of, let me get out and walk, let me feel like I'm in my neighborhood. I don't like to, and I work from home, so I don't want to stay cooped up all the time. So this neighborhood really lends itself to walking all around. It's incredibly safe, and I'm walking by myself, so that's probably one of my favorite parts of living here is the walkability. When I was looking to build my home, I ended up going with building from the ground up. I did look at other models to consider that were already done, but there was something about, if I'm going to do this process, I would prefer to start, let me pick my furnish, let me pick my finishings and everything else, so that seemed to be a better fit for me personally. During my building process, there is obviously a lot involved. I really, really appreciated the updates, the live updates on the app. That made everything extremely smooth, and especially because I was coming from another part of Dallas, I wasn't able to come over here on a daily basis, weekly basis. So really, from start to finish, I was able to monitor the progress both with email updates, but with actual pictures, which I found incredibly helpful and gave a lot of peace of mind. What made Bloomfield unique in terms of builders and other builders I had been considering, there were a lot of different factors. One was location. I really liked that no matter which area I was looking in, Bloomfield had a community. So to know that that standard was across, so if I liked a floor plan over here, but I maybe liked a different neighborhood better, I liked the versatility and the flexibility that gave me. I would describe the quality of my new home to be very elevated. I really appreciated the fact that a lot of the features and finishes I was able to pick are at a higher standard, higher quality than you will find at other builders. And again, that's just standard. That's before I decide to go up. So I would elevate it. It's so elevated, it's so nice, and I couldn't love it anymore.